Hello friends, welcome on board Tips for Productivity. Today let us go through some steps by which we can create a new file onto our PC. There are various ways of creating a file in Excel onto our desktop or onto a specific location on our PC. For creating a file on a desktop, one of the easiest steps is to right click on the desktop, over on New, and select an option of Microsoft Excel worksheet. You can rename this file if you wish to by just typing in the name. So here we will just type in as right click since we have created it by right clicking. When we double click on this file, we get to see the file with the sheets and basic functions that are available in Excel. Similarly, we can also do a keyboard command of Windows and R press simultaneously to open up the run command, where we can type in excel and click on enter. This will open up an Excel option to open up a new worksheet or from the set of templates that are available. So we can select the first option, click on enter, and it opens a worksheet which is by default opening as book 1, which is not saved right now onto this PC. It is just in a temporary memory of Excel. So we can save it to a particular path. For example, we can click on the file, save as. We can navigate to a particular location by clicking on browse. Let us just go to desktop in this example and say win plus R, and we typed Excel. So this is how we created the second file. The third way is you can click on the search bar. If you have already used Excel, the Excel would appear in one of the apps that are being used, or you can just type Excel in the search bar. The best match will appear, and you can double click on this to open the set of options that are available. We'll select the blank workbook. This is through Windows search. So let's save this as again onto the desktop. The third way to open an Excel file and save it.